What's good, what's poppin'? I'm Jazz, half of the Beauty Brats, back with another video, back with another banger, back with something that hopefully you want to see, and that's on period. So today, I know you saw the title, we're gonna be going along with me for a day in the life of a wannabe influencer. So first, I have a doctor's appointment that I really need to be walking out the door for, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. And then we have errands that I'll have to run and just content that I'll be getting later on today. So yeah, stay tuned for the tea. Stay tuned, keep watching. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's get it. All right guys, so I just finished my doctor's appointment, and I mean, it just takes all damn day. Goodness gracious, like for her to come in there for 5 minutes and be like, yeah, everything's good. Well, damn, we couldn't have a phone call about this shit. Like, I'm sorry, like it's just really, anyway, I really don't have the time to sit here if I want to get everything done that I want to get done today. So I thought it'd be cute to do a little drive with me segment or whatever, listening to my music. And like, we already know this probably ain't even gonna make it, 'cause it's gonna get copyrighted or whatever.
I feel like falling in love.
Did I even turn the car on? Well, it started moving. Like, I don't want to hear shit about Beyonce's album, okay? I don't want to hear nothing. 'Cause baby, look, I'm not even finna, 'cause I ain't finna get into it with the other stands or whatever. But just know, it's her and it's only her.
Go a different pace. Man, I'm on a plane. Man, I can't complain. First class game. Too much money game.
All right, y'all. So we have made it to the grocery store. So I'm going to go ahead and run in here, get these items that I need for literally breakfast and dinner, and then yeah, we'll be headed back home. So let's go. I'll give me some rice. Left on it. Sorry. It's off. Sorry.
Select from list or key in the item's code.
Alright guys, so we are back and we got everything that we need for dinner and breakfast. So I'm about to make some avocado toast. I saw Kyra do it. So we're gonna make like the same toast that she made. I'll probably make some bacon on the side of mine though. And yeah, and then I'll be getting ready so that I can try to record these reels / TikToks real quick, and then, you know, show y'all dinner, and then that's pretty much gonna be it. I just came to check in, and let's continue on with our day. Y'all, if my pan was even, we'd really be working with something. But it's not, so that is why. A little crispy. This shit was burnt. That part didn't cut out. All right, y'all, finna try this little weak ass breakfast. That's how I feel, because I've been in here for so long. So I've never like put an egg on top of my bread like this, and yes, this bread is great value. Let's see. I mean, it's good. It's just like, why am I eating it in this form? My breakfast at 2 p.m. Yay. All right, y'all, so ignore the ladder. Ignore the fucking ladder. it's the way I'm gonna cancel this video. And I'm talking to y'all and my fucking light is broken. So here is a broken light, and this is what it would look like if it wasn't broken. I have no idea what's going on with the stand right here. Like the last time I used it was fine, and it just randomly stopped working, I guess. I can kind of get it to stand up if it's like leaning on this other part, like this part down here. But it literally cannot be touched. So this will be the only way I can use it. I'm gonna just let y'all watch me. Hopefully the light stays up. Y'all look at Lola. Like, what is wrong? What's wrong, Lola? My goodness, what's wrong? Anyway, it's not funny. I'm gonna do a must-have Shein items haul that I consider to be must-haves, obviously. And that's pretty much it. I'm gonna just show y'all me recording it and then show y'all a little bit, I guess, what the footage look like. And I'll probably include the actual TikTok at like the end or something. And then if you guys are interested in my editing or anything like that and the apps I use, just let me know. Okay. Dog just threw me completely off. All right, y'all, so I'm pretty much done. Ooh, am I zoomed in? Please, now my camera's dying. So great, pretty much done filming the reel. I'm deciding if I'm gonna add shoes in, because I do have like a pair of shoes that are low-key a go-to from there. So considering adding those, and my lash pretty sure started coming up, so yay for that. But yeah, my camera's dying, so of course I'll show y'all the end, or I'll show y'all the reel. All right, y'all, so these are the items from Shein that you just gotta go get. So this is an athleisure crop top type of vibe. It's really like a Skims dupe. I really like it, the fit and everything. I will say the top is a little weird, but other than that, I'm vibing. Now these bodysuits, girl, these are really the star of the show, okay? So I have them in so many different colors. Again, a Skims dupe, and like I'm saying, it's snatches, okay? So it's double line, really good quality, not see-through, so I really do recommend these bodysuits. I also really like this crop denim jacket. It has the distressed details, and you know, it doesn't feel bad quality either. And these clear slides, girl, you know, just throw it on any outfit, make it cute, boom. All right, guys, so I cooked the dinner and I'm like, I'm gonna show y'all because it actually look good, but I forgot to address the fact that yes, I be using paper plates, okay? Like, ain't nobody trying to be washing dishes, like all these dishes all the time, like just now. But yeah, so I'm gonna show y'all the food. It actually looks like it looks like something I can show y'all. And yeah, this is also the makeup after going to the gym. And I actually sweat a little bit in the gym. Like I had like a drop over here. So baby, it's sweat proof. Thank you guys for watching. I'm about to show y'all my food and all the stuff I already said. Like, comment, subscribe, talk to me down there, and see you in the next video.